Good morning. Good morning guys. Happy Saturday. Today's date is the 7th of July. It's July na di ay. Dalira kayong panahon no? July na pala. Scarlett and Stephanie. Ug ako, nandito kami sa playground na naman as usual. But this playground is located in... Okay, akong i-span ang camera para malantaw ninyo. Steph, kung ana ha, bantayi ang ato ang jacket. Keep an eye on your jacket, Scarlett. I can see a place, a sign here. Okay. Dito tayo, guys. Yan ang sign.